That's Shaun's seat. He's meant to be here today because we were meant to film the weather together, but he's not here. So I'm going to go home and film the weather. Woo woo. Hello, Jay here, back in my garden. I was at the office, someone wasn't there. I wonder where he was. Maybe last night he had a few too many pina coladas. Talking of pina coladas, I'll show you my pineapples in a minute because they're looking quite good. Anyway, if you want to know what the weather's doing for this week, the 3rd week of January, and it's my birthday week. That's right, Monday the 19th. My birthday, I expect gifts. If you haven't sent them already, they will be late, but that's okay. Just add a little bit of money. Put a card in and put some coins, sellotape some coins to a card. That'd be nice. It's always nice just to get the envelope and see how heavy it was until they started putting big notes in there and it wasn't heavy and you thought you didn't get anything. And actually did get more because they had notes and notes are lighter than coins. Anyway, I'm waffling on. Let's go look at my pineapples and then check out the weather. Woo woo! Right, Farmer Shark here. Look, there's one pineapple. It's doing all right. Needs a little bit more water, that one. It's quite dry at the moment. And then the other, oh, Oogie Boogie Man. All right, Oogie Boogie Man. The other pineapple's looking good, look. That looks nice, that one. That's lovely. That's good. Anyway, there's my pineapples, and I'm about to plant some jalapeno peppers very soon. I just need to get my plant box sorted, which is over here, which, oh my God, excuse the mess. My dog's in my plant box digging. Get out the plant box, dog. We've got to plant some jalapeno peppers in there. Come on, get out, I've just cleaned you. Anyway, let's go do the weather. Woo woo. Trouble, get out. All by myself, I wanna be all by myself. So lonely, so lonely. I don't know if that's the right song. I was thinking of the Police song. Is that So Lonely? I don't know. Anyway, by myself. Someone had a few too many sherbets last night. Maybe he was drinking pina colada. I like penis. Huh? I like pina colada. Call in the rain. My pineapples are looking good, aren't they? And hopefully my new jalapeno peppers, well, you might see those next week, depending on if we film back in the office or not. Who knows? Anyway, this is my new little setup, by the way. I'm in my own bedroom, and I can't show you what's behind me. Oh, no. There's some, well, it's my bed, and the dog's on the bed, because we just went for a long walk. Anyway, we are on Windy. Why do we go on Windy? Because Windy shows us which direction the wind's coming from, and say if it's going to be bumpy or not. And if there is any rain, it shows us where the rain's coming from. So on Windy, purple means no wind. Blue means really, really light wind. If you see green, a little bit more wind. Yellow, more wind. Orange, lots of wind. And then if you see Ron Burgundy...
I'm Ron Burgundy?
Thanks, Miguel. Then that's crazy wind. We don't get much Ron Burgundy here in Phuket. In fact, I've never seen a Ron Burgundy in Phuket. But this is Sunday morning, Sunday the 18th. That's right, Sunday morning. Beautiful. I'm looking out my window. It's beautiful Sunday today. It's lovely at the moment. As you can see, there's no wind whatsoever. A tiny little bit green down there. So I should show you. This is Phi Phi here. Got Pang Bay here. The similar islands are up here. And then Ratcha is down here. Hong Krabi, if you want to know, is just about there. So as you can see, Sunday morning looks awesome. Sunday afternoon looks amazing. So today is definitely a good day to go out. If you're watching this early and it comes out early enough, then go out on Sunday. Now, let's look at a very special day. Monday the 19th. Well, why is that special, Jay? That's right, it's my birthday. Woo-woo! I'm half a century years old. My God, that sounds old, doesn't it? Half a century. I've been on this planet for half a century. Not a bad innings, to be fair. Still got a few more runs inside me, I reckon. Yeah. We'll see. Anyway, thanks for all the gifts and all the presents that you sent me this week. No one sent me nothing. But I'd love you to comment on the video, say happy birthday. Appreciate that. Or you could just send some love my way. It's quite easy to find me, Jay Leshark. I'm on everything, to be fair. Instagram. I'm not on TikTok yet. I should go on TikTok, shouldn't I? Anyway, waffling. Happy birthday, Jay. Right, looks like a Monday the 19th. Looks amazing. Amazeballs. Monday afternoon looks brilliant. It's what I love about high season, especially peak season. The weather is pretty much constantly hot and beautiful. Let's look at Tuesday the 20th. I'll be a little bit hungover because on Monday I'm going to go have a few drinky poos. Don't drink, kids. It's bad for you. It makes you miss weather appointments, that's for sure. Tuesday morning looks good. No, not even bothering, look. Not even bothering, looks lovely. Tuesday afternoon, even better. Excuse me, oh my word, what's this? On Wednesday morning, a little bit of green. But that's nothing really to worry about whatsoever. Let's look at Wednesday afternoon. Oh God, look at this, purple over Phi Phi, that's going to be lovely. Purple over Pei Bay, and even purple over Simmerlands. It's a great week to go out this week. Thursday the 22nd, oh, a little bit of green. Might be a slide bumpy going to Simmerlands, but nothing to worry about. A wee bit bumpy going to Phi Phi. Once again, nothing to worry about. Let's look at, Thursday afternoon. So it might be a bit bumpy coming back from Phi Phi, but not to worry about. Simmerland Island looks good. Pei Bay is always good this time of year. Let's look at Friday the 23rd. A little bit more wind, end of the week, a little bit more wind. That's nice though, just cools it down a little bit. That's a ping pong ball in the background, if you can hear that my dog's playing with. Yes, thanks, Trouble. Let's look at Friday afternoon. Friday afternoon, once again, a little bit of breeze, but nothing to worry about. It just cools you down a bit, which would be nice. And Saturday the 24th, once again, same. So a little bit more wind in the end of the week, rather than nothing at the start of the week, but still looks pretty good. But really, let's look at Sunday the 25th. There's absolutely nothing to worry about. Let's go back to Monday the 19th. Why is that, Jay? Well, because that's a very special day for me. So as you can see, the weather this week looks quite nice, as it does every peak season, to be fair. So if you haven't booked, then book now. Get out there for next week, because it looks lovely. Next weekend looks good as well. So let's go to our standard weather forecast. This is acute weather. It's very difficult to see. Now, it does say there's a 49% chance of rain today. A shower in the morning, otherwise some sun and turning cloudy. I don't think so. There's a few clouds in the sky out there, but nothing to worry about, and they'll blow through. And if it does rain, it rains in the evening. In all fairness, my garden needs it. As you can see, my pineapples need a lot more water to make them big and juicy, because everyone likes big and juicy pineapples. We don't want no old and frazzled pineapples. We want juicy pineapples. That's right. Let's look at 31, 30 degrees, 33 degrees on Thursday. Oh, there's a little bit of rain on Thursday. I don't believe that's true. What is that, Thursday? Let's have a look for Thursday. Does it rain on Thursday? Maybe a little sprinkle on Thursday, possibly, but nothing to worry about. Once again, if it does come through, you get a tropical shower, and in fairness, you need it sometimes just to cool off, because it is quite hot at the moment. But I don't believe it's going to rain that much this week. And if it does rain, like I said, it will rain in the evenings. Now, let's look at our TMD weather radar, which is absolutely pointless, because this is live right now on Sunday morning as I record this. So by the time this gets edited and go out, this is pointless. So I don't even know why we do it. So there you go. That's your Phuket weekly weather update for the third week of January. And remember, we do daily weather updates, so you can see what the weather's doing exactly at that day, and then we tell you what the weather's doing for tomorrow as well. Shaun does them, I do them, sometimes other people do them as well. But you can go and check those out. That's on our Instagram-y thing, it's on our stories, it's on our Facebook stories if people still use Facebook, if you're over the age of 50, like I am, or will be on Monday. And it's also, I think she puts it on, that's Emma Smith, our lovely social media girl. I think she puts it on TikTok too. So there you go. You always check out our daily weather updates, which gives you the weather that day and for the day afterwards. So that's good, isn't it? So I don't know why I do the weekly weather. It's pointless, really, isn't it? Anyway, there you go. That's your Phuket weekly weather update for the third week of January. And don't forget, it's my birthday on Monday the 19th. I expect gifts. It's a bit late if you haven't sent them now, because this comes out Sunday afternoon. All right? Good. Thanks.